In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with PowerPoint. By the end, you'll be comfortable opening the app, building slides, adding content, and getting ready to present with confidence. First, open PowerPoint. On Windows, click the Start menu. On a Mac, open the Applications folder. Search for Microsoft PowerPoint and launch it. When the Start screen appears, you can begin fresh with a blank presentation, which is great for full control, or pick a template if you want a pre-designed look with coordinated fonts and colors. Templates can save time and help your slides look polished right away. Before adding content, take a quick tour of the interface. At the top is the ribbon, the main toolbar organized into tabs like Home, Insert, and Design. On the left is the Slides pane, which shows a thumbnail list of your slides so you can see the flow of your deck. The big area in the center is your slide area where you'll do most of your editing. At the bottom is the Notes pane, perfect for speaker notes you don't want on the slide itself. To build your deck, add a new slide. Go to the Home tab and select New Slide. You can choose a layout that fits your needs, such as a title slide to introduce your topic or a title and content layout for your main points. Now add content. Click inside the placeholders and start typing to add text. For visuals, use the Insert tab to add images, charts, or videos. Clear, relevant visuals make your message easier to understand. Keep text concise and break long ideas into shorter points so your audience can follow along. Give your presentation a professional look with a theme. Head to the Design tab and choose a theme that complements your topic and audience. This instantly applies coordinated colors, fonts, and backgrounds across all slides, helping everything feel consistent. Fine-tune your slides using the Home tab. Adjust fonts, sizes, colors, and alignment. Aim for readability. High contrast between text and background, consistent font sizes for titles and body text, and even spacing between objects to keep the layout clean. Save your work early and often. Click File, then Save As, pick a location, name your file, and click Save. After that, press Ctrl+ regularly to protect your progress. When you're ready to review, go to the Slideshow tab and choose from beginning or press F5 to preview your presentation. Finally, practice and edit. Review each slide for clarity, refine wording, and tighten the design so your message stands out. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.